Hello, this is MF, and this is my tutorial on how to change inner barrels. This is a redo of my previous video on this, which would be deleted shortly after this one is reposted, because my original one had a flaw in it. I made a mistake. So any of you who took my advice in that video, sorry. So watch this one instead. It was just to get that over with. It was regarding the way this piece fits, this little black piece. I made the mistake of telling you guys to make it so these pointed parts face basically in the wrong direction. If you're looking at the slide like this, I had you guys put them facing up. That is wrong. 3 days later after that happened or so, mine broke in half. This is a new one now. And I finally realized while watching a different video that this is the right way to put it. So I apologize for that. So, okay. And just to show you guys something real quick. This is the piece after. If I figure out how to fix those effectively, I'll post that and make sure there isn't anything incorrect. But anyways, so on to the tutorial. Alright, you want to change your inner barrel. Here's a brand new one. Okay, and what you do is take your slide and you take out the recoil guide rod and the recoil spring, your recoil guide rod plug, and you turn your barrel bushing. If you're holding it this way, it'll be towards you, and then you just slide the barrel out. Make sure this is the inner barrel is locked that way, not open like this. Otherwise it won't go through. Okay, showing you the right way this time. It's pretty much very similar to the last time, just positioning that little black nub. Don't know the real name of it. If you have the WE manual, it's item number 71. Alright, so you want to do this piece, take that out, take your screw out, and just slide your old inner barrel out. Take your brand new one, just slide it in. See if I do this right this time. I damn better. Okay. Looking at it this way, these pointed parts go around here when you it's molded that way, so it fits nicely when you put a slide stop through to connect everything. Again, like my old video, don't screw this too much. Like I mentioned, it's plastic and you don't want to damage it. It is in fact the most fatal flaw of 1911's that go by this. Every other flaw that I mentioned is like horseshit compared to this. This is a big deal. But anyway, there you go. Pointing correctly. slide it back together. Take your barrel bushing. Your recoil plug. Your recoil guide rod and spring. Make sure it rests nice, like evenly, so you don't put too much pressure onto the little plastic piece. And just reassemble your gun. And there you go. Brand new. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And again, I apologize for the mishap with the other video. And I'll see you guys there.